birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy everybody, more lively.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, Johan, before you blow the candle, close your eyes first. Make a wish. More. Yay! And this time, magandang sabay-sabay po natin ulit batiin si Johan. Lagi isang malakas sa Mermas happy birthday in 3, 2, and 1. Happy birthday, Zohan. And of course, this time, and Mommy and Daddy, any birthday message po kay Zohan. Ayan, magsimula po tayo kay Daddy. Daddy, ano pong birthday message niyo?
Ba yan yung mga tao maliit cover say hi.
Love you, Mom.
Wala kayo ng... Ay! May vlog yun talaga natin. Oo, tapos na. Kakain na lang.
Pasigang talakpakan naman natin ng Mommy and Daddy. And ayan po, let's have our family picture po kayo po